Today we are in El Cajon to look at one of the newest builds off of El Cajon Boulevard. It's called the Gateway Community, and it has a community park, swimming pool, and is located close to popular restaurants. This unit is a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath, tri-level unit. We're gonna take a look inside now at this new construction built by KB Homes in El Cajon. This is a 3-story townhome. The main living area is gonna be up at the top of those stairs. This is where the garage is. So we'll go up the stairs to the first floor. When you get to the top, it opens up to the kitchen. So we have a nice big open layout, and this property has 9-foot ceilings. Tall ceilings make rooms feel larger, more open, and less confined. The fact that it's raining outside right now just makes me wanna curl up on the couch and watch some TV with some hot cocoa or something. It does have a balcony on the second floor, which is the main living area side, so you can look out. Pool is that way, and there's like a little park area where you can hang out. On this level, there is 1 bedroom. There is 1 bedroom just off of the kitchen, which has a walk-in closet and could be perfect either as an office or a guest bedroom, since there is a bathroom right next to it. Standing shower, so no tub in this one, but it has a shower. They added a nice island here in the middle, and they put the sink on the island. Placing the sink on the island rather than on the counter can make for a more social environment as one does the dishes. The appliances are brand new, so if you buy this house, you would be the first to use all of them. Cabinets are nice and big, too tall for me, but nothing a little step stool won't fix. And yes, I have a step stool in my house at all times. It is very useful when you are 5 feet. Okay, so let's go up to the 3rd level. Now there is carpet throughout, but it's brand new carpet. On the 2nd floor, you'll find the 2nd bedroom with a full bathroom and walk-in closet, a full-size stackable washer and dryer, and the master bedroom. Now we're going into the master bedroom, which has a bathroom attached to it with dual sinks, a door for the toilet area, and then it also has this shower. So no bathtub in this one, but it has a walk-in shower. A very large one at that. The master bedroom has a large window that looks out to the community and a very large walk-in closet. It does have a walk-in closet, and this one's bigger than the other ones, and it goes back further that way. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my video. As a reminder, I am a licensed real estate agent in San Diego, so if you would like to purchase this property, please send me a message, call me, email me, whichever you'd like, and I can get you set up. Or if this property isn't for you and you want to look at something else, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye!